Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Well, this morning I am back from the Texas retreat that I was at, and I got some Happy Mail while I was gone. I got the Bella Rose Quilt Society subscription box. Can't wait to get this open and see what's inside. Every month has been amazing. Just to let you know, I do get this box for a review, but the opinions are my own. You guys know I'm going to share what I really think. So let's get it open and see what's inside. So this is the August box. Now the Bella Rose Quilt Society subscription box is not a monthly box, it's a bi-monthly box, which I really like because a lot of the monthly boxes, before you can even finish the project, you get the next box already. So it makes you get a little bit backed up and feel a little bit overwhelmed. So I really like this box for that reason. All right, so let's see what's inside. Got it all tied up. It always looks really nice with either a bow or a tie. This one's really pretty. Oh, lots of nice things on top there. So this month's fabric looks like it's Pieces of Nectarine Fusion by Art Gallery Fabric and Fig Tree by Moda. Shades of Peach, Creams, and Greens for a table runner, which is really nice. I love table runners. They're nice and quick and easy. A Buy Any project bag. Nice. There's a cookie, which I can see right on top. The mystery clue number 4. So every box has had a mystery clue for a quilt along, or Christmas quilt along. All right, so let us see what is all in this bag. So there's the cookie right on top. One of my kids will have that. And then this looks like vinyl or some such, probably for the bag. Oh, I hate to rip it. It's so pretty. Oh, it looks like there might be vinyl and soft and stable in here. Let's see. Yes, so there's clear vinyl for a bag and some soft and stable. So that'll be interesting. I can't wait to see which pattern it is because I love the Buy Any bags. I've made a bunch of them. All right, so I'm going to set that aside for a minute. And that's a creative way to ship it. I've never seen that done before. I think this is the main project, so I'm going to leave that aside. There's a little bag in here. My goodness, lots of stuff. Oh, this has the zipper in it. Oh, I like the green. That's pretty. And that's a Buy Any zipper, which I think are my favorite zippers. And then there's a little zipper pull, Kimberbell, scissors. That's really cute. Okay, so that was that bag. This is the Quilt Along block. It's called Christmas Memories. I couldn't remember the name of this so long. Christmas Memories. So that's our next block, block number 4. Oh, that kind of project bag. Okay, she literally was saying a project bag. So these are the vinyl front project bags that you can make. And Buy Any patterns are wonderful. They're really easy to follow, and they usually have videos, and it says here, add-on video tutorial for $5. These are really nice to carry projects to and from retreats, or just to keep your sewing room organized with your projects. So that's cool. And it looks like they gave us some fusible interfacing, which is just Helen SF101, but Buy Any has it packaged for them, so you can purchase it if you go to Buy Any's shop, which is just buyany.com. And then every month they do a private Zoom if you get this box, and they give you bingo cards to play a bingo game, so that's really fun. All right, so I'm going to put all of these things back in the box for now. Really happy so far. This has been a great box. Okay. On the cookie. And then let's get this, I'm going to put this out of the way. Here, over here. And let's get the main project open because I'm really excited to see what's inside this. Oh, pretty fabric. Okay. Now, they write original patterns there, and I'm assuming this is another one. It's a table runner, throw, or a bed quilt, and they're giving us all the fabric for the table runner. But if you want to make another quilt or make it bigger, you can purchase more fabric. It says it's pre-cut friendly. Let's see, it takes 5-inch squares or fat quarters. Huh, interesting. And then some other yardage to go along with, but really cute. All right. This one's really pretty. She did a really good job combining two different designers and design houses, their fabrics, and making them match. So nice job. And the art gallery ones have the nicest feel to them. They're the brushed cotton, nice and soft. That one's definitely fig tree. All right, I think that's all of them. Yes. Okay, so that's all the fabrics. So if you like really nice, soft colored fabrics, this is definitely the project for you. Really cute. All right. So, oh, and there's another little piece, and I'm going to assume that's for the center of these little blocks. Yep. All right, so that's the box, and I'll tell you in a minute what my favorite thing is. Well, let me know down below what you thought of this box in the comments. Usually at this point, I pick what my favorite thing is from the box, although this time it's going to be really hard because there's a lot of great things in this box. I love Buy Any zippers. I love Buy Any products. I talk about Soft and Stable all the time, and her vinyl is the best vinyl on the market, I think, to work with. It sews really nicely, and you don't have to get any kind of special feet or anything like that. The pattern is great this time. The pile of fabric, I mean, that's a ton of fabric in this box. But probably my favorite thing, and this just is because I love Buy Any products so much, is the pattern. Her patterns are really, really great. They sew up so well. Perfect directions. I've done other bags before from other companies, and they're just not as thorough. Like I've had some where you get to a certain point and then it skips to the end and you're like, now what do I do? There's steps in between. But Buy Any's patterns are not like that. They walk you through step by step, and most of them have a video tutorial if you need the extra help. So great box this month. Thank you so much, Bella Rose Quilt Society. I appreciate you sending me this box. Again, I get this for a review, but the opinions are my own. If you would like to purchase this box, I will link it down below. Just click the link and head on over there, and I'll see you guys really soon.